Good morning, student. Today we will discuss about sports injury. Sports injury are those injury which occurs in sports and game. Sports injury, it is of two types: soft tissue injury and hard tissue injury. Soft tissue injury, it is again divided into two parts: skin injury and muscle injury. Skin injury like contusion, abrasion, lacerations, etc. and muscle injury like cramp, strain, sprain, etc. And hard tissue injury are those injury which occurs in skeletal systems like bone, like fracture, dislocation, etc. So, sports injury, it is of two types. It is of two types: soft tissue injury, soft tissue injury and hard tissue soft tissue injury and hard tissue injury. Soft tissue injury, it is again divided into two parts: muscle injury, skin injury and muscle injury. Muscle injury. Skin injury like contusion, abrasion, laceration, incision, etc. These are the skin injury. And muscle injury like muscle cramp, strain, sprain, etc. Next is hard tissue injury. Hard tissue injury means injury to the bones of skeletal systems like hard tissue injury like dislocation, fracture, okay, dislocation, fractures like fractures against like complete fractures, incomplete fractures, green stick fractures, etc. Okay, fractures like complete fractures, complete fracture, incomplete fractures, green stick, fractures, compound fractures, oblique fractures, etc. These are the some classifications of sports injury. Sports injury means the injury which occurs in game and sports. It is two type: soft tissue injury, hard tissue injury. Soft tissue injury means those injury which occurs in skin and muscles. Skin injury like contusion, abrasion, laceration, incision. Muscle injury like muscle cramp, strain, sprain. And hard tissue injury means injury to bones of skeletal system. It is of two types: dislocations and fractures. It is again fractures. It is of various types like open fractures, closed fractures, complete fractures, incomplete fractures, oblique fractures, compound fractures, complicated fractures, etc. Let's discuss one by one. First, we will discuss about soft tissue injury. Soft tissue injury. First, soft tissue injury, that is contusion. Contusion. It is a soft tissue injury. It occurs in the skin. Contusion. It is the injury in the skin caused by direct hit by an external object without breaking the continuity of the skin. Okay, contusions. It is a skin injury caused by direct hit by an external object without breaking the continuity of the skin. In contusion, there is a acute pain, swelling, and sometimes there is loss of functioning of the affected part. The color of the skin changes, red or blue, etc. Its management technique like management technique. First, contusion. Contusion means skin injury. Contusion, it is a skin injury. It is a skin injury caused by direct hit by external object without breaking the continuity of the skin. Without breaking the continuity of the skin. Okay. What is contusion? Contusion, it is a soft tissue injury. It occurs in the skin. It is a skin injury in which it is caused by direct hit by an external object without breaking the continuity of the skin. The continuity of the skin is not break, but there is a swelling, acute pain, skin of the color change from red to blue. Sometimes the functioning of the skin is lost, etc. And its management technique. First aid. First, immediately apply. Okay. Ice. For skin injury, immediately apply ice over the affected area. Next is, if there is a swelling, use antiseptic cream. For 2 days, do a icing after some interval of time. Okay, apply cold compressions or icing for 2 days after some interval of time, and after 2 days do a gentle massage. The first 2 days you should do a icing, only icing. Okay, if you do icing, then it helps to reduce swelling. Next, contusion. Next is abrasion. Okay, abrasion. Abrasion, it is a injury over the surface of the skin. It is caused by scrap or rub by a frictional force. In abrasion, the skin is rubbed over the hard and rough surface. Okay, abrasion. In abrasion, it is the skin is scraped or rubbed by a frictional force. Usually, it occurs over the palm, elbow, knee, etc. Rubbing. Our skin is rubbed by a hard and rough surface. That is by a frictional force. Its management technique. First step is wash it properly. Clean the affected part with some antiseptic cream like Dettol so as to avoid infections. And after that, use some cream, etc. Next is laceration. Laceration and incision. You know, student, these two things are the same, but the difference is that laceration, it is caused by a blunt object, and incision, it is caused by a sharp edge object like knife, razors, etc. So laceration, it is a soft tissue injury in which the skin is cut by a blunt object. Okay, it is a type of wound that happens when the soft tissue injury are torn by a blunt object. And incision, it is a soft tissue injury in which the skin is cut by a sharp edge object like knife, razors, etc. Sometimes the arteries may be cut. First aid management technique. What is the first aid and its management technique? First step, clean the affected part with some antiseptic cream like Dettol and wash it properly. Second, use bandage. Okay, use cotton bandage to stop the bleeding. To stop the bleeding, to stop the bleeding. Do a compression bandage. Use compression bandage so to avoid the bleeding. And after that, use cover the affected part with some cotton bandage. And next, repeat dressing for several times to avoid infections. Apply cold compression, and if the injury is deep, then go for stitches and take a proper care till the injury is completely healed. These are the some steps which we should follow during laceration and incision. Okay, laceration and incision. The first step is we have to clean the affected part with some antiseptic cream like Dettol, and after that, stop the bleeding. To stop bleeding, use compressions or compression bandage. After that, cover the affected part with cotton bandage. Cover the affected part by medical cotton bandage, and do a repeat dressing to avoid infections, and apply cold compression to stop swelling. And if the injury is deep, go for stitches. Avoid infections. Avoid infection by putting medical cotton bandage, and take a proper treatment, proper care till the injury is completely healed. These are the some steps which we have to follow for soft tissue injury. Next is muscle injury. Muscle injury are those injury which occurs in the muscle. Muscle injury. Muscle injury. First, cramp. Cramp, it is a muscle injury, that is inability of the muscle to contract properly. Okay, cramp, it is inability of the muscle to contract properly, that is unbalanced contraction of the muscles. Unbalanced contraction of the muscles. And cramp, it occurs due to overstretching of muscles, overtraining, loss of water from the body, loss of waters, salt and minerals from the body, doing exercise in excess hot and cold climate, etc. These are the some cause of cramp. Okay, cramp, it is an inability of the muscle to contract properly, that is unbalanced contractions of the muscles. And the cause of cramp is overstretching of muscles, overtraining. If a person do overtraining, loss of important minerals and salt from the body, doing exercise in extreme bad weather, hot conditions, etc. And its management technique, how? First aid and management technique. The first step is do a complete rest, and drink sufficient waters. Drink lemon waters, energy drink. Okay, do lemon waters. And then next is massage over the affected area. Massage over the affected area. If the pain is more, apply ice, cold compressions. Icing, it's help to stop internal bleeding and prevent overtraining, overtraining of the muscles. And before doing training, do a proper warming up. These are the some management technique for cramp. Okay, the first step is rest, complete rest, no movement. Second, drink sufficient waters, drink lemon waters, energy drink. Third, apply ice. If there is a swelling, apply ice, cold compressions. It helps to reduce internal bleeding. And fourth step is avoid training over the bad weathers, avoid overstretching of muscles, etc. Next, strain. Strain means strain, it is a muscle fiber. Strain, it is a muscle fiber damage or tear. Strain, it is an injury of the muscles in which the muscle fiber is damaged or tears. It is caused due to overstretching of the muscles. If the muscle is overstretched or or due to overstretching of muscles. Okay, it is caused by overstretch or overstretching of muscles or due to violent pull. This is about the strain. Strain, the muscle fibers is damaged or tears, and it is caused due to overstretching of muscles, if the muscle is overstretched, or due to violent pull. Okay, the tendon is tear or due to violent pull. And strain, it causes acute pain. Sometimes there is a swelling, loss of functioning over the affected part, etc. And its first aid management technique. First aid and management technique. First aid and its management technique. For muscle injury, the treatment is RICE. R-I-C-E. R means rest. I means icing. Rest, ice. C means compression. Rest, ice, compression. E, elevation. And R, R-I-C-E, RICE. Okay, R-I-C-E, RICE. Rest, ice, compression and elevation. This is the treatment for muscle injury. Rehabilitation. So, management technique, the first step. So, whenever the muscle fibers is tear or damaged, the first step is complete rest. Complete rest. The patient should be provided complete rest, no movement, full rest, complete rest. Okay, no movement. And after that, icing. Icing or cold compression. Icing or cold compressions over the affected area. After that, do icing over the affected area for 2 days. Icing, it's help to stop internal bleeding. And after that, the third step is compression. Use compression. Use compression bandage. Okay, use compression bandage to reduce swelling. Okay, use compression bandage over the affected part. It's have to reduce swelling. And after that, elevation. Elevate the affected. Elevate the affected part above heart level. The affected part, it should be elevated above the heart level. Okay. Heart labor with the help of support by using string or splint bandage. And next is elevate, and after the 2 days, do massage or contrast. For 2 days we do icing, and after 2 days we do massage by using cream, or do contrast bath. Contrast bath, that is hot and cold bath. Use hot waters and then cold. Hot and cold. It has to reduce swelling. Okay, after 2 days do a massage, and then after the treatment is over, after treatment is over, do rehabilitation. Rehabilitation exercise or physiotherapy. After the treatment is over, do a rehabilitation exercise or physiotherapy. It helps to regain the strength of the muscles, and it should be done in a progressive manner from simple to hard, under the observation of the expert. Okay, after the treatment is over, full treatment is over, we do a rehabilitation exercise to regain the strength of the muscles, and it should be done in a progressive manner under the expert observation. This is the management technique, first aid for muscle injury. Okay, for muscle injury, whether it is strain or sprain, we use this technique, we use this first aid treatment. First, complete rest. The patient should be provide complete rest, no movement. After that, immediately apply ice over the affected part. It helps to stop internal bleeding. Icing helps to stop bleeding. So, immediately apply ice over the affected part. After that, use compression bandage. It's help to avoid swelling. And after that, elevate the affected part above the heart levels. And next is after 2 days, do a gentle massage or use contrast bath, that is hot and cold bath. It's help to reduce swelling. It give you relief from the pain, etc. And after the treatment is over, do a rehabilitation exercise, or we can also do physiotherapy to regain the strength of the muscles, and it should be done in a progressive manner under the observation of the expert. These are the some management technique. And next is muscle injury. P, protection. Okay, P R I C E, and then rehabilitation. This is the treatment, first aid treatment for muscle injury. Okay, treatment for muscle injury. Protection, first we will do protection, then rest, ice, compressions, elevations and rehabilitation. Next is muscle injury. Next is sprain. Sprain, it is a ligament tear or damage. Ligament, it is a connective tissue that connect two bones. It is present in between the two bones. Ligament connect two bones. And sprain, it is a ligament. It is a sprain, it is a injury in which the ligament is tear or damaged. It is caused due to overstretching of joint. If the joint is overstretched, then it may lead to tearing of ligament. Okay, overstretching of ligament or twisting of joint. If the joint is twist, then it may also lead to tearing of ligament. So this is about the sprain. Sprain means it is the injury in which the ligament is tear or damaged, and it is caused by overstretching of joint or due to twisting of joint. Okay, if the joint is twist and it causes severe pain over the affected part, sometimes there is a swelling and loss of functioning of the affected part. The person is unable to move the joint. It usually occurs over the elbow, knee, ankle, etc. And its management technique, first aid and management technique. Technique is rest, ice, compressions, elevations and rehabilitation. First, complete rest. The patient should be kept complete rest, no movement. The affected part, it should be completely rest, no movement. Okay, rest to the player and completely restrict the movement. After that, use ice or cold compressions over the affected part. It's hard to stop internal bleeding. After that, use compression bandage. It have to reduce swelling. Next, elevate the affected part above the heart levels. And after 2 days, do a gentle massage over the affected area. And after the treatment is over, do a rehabilitation exercise of physiotherapy to regain the strength of the muscle in a progressive manner under the expert observation. Strain, it is a muscle fiber. Muscle fiber damage or tear. Okay, sprain. In sprain, the ligament is tear or damaged, and in strain, the muscle fiber is damaged or tear, and in cramp, unbalanced contraction of muscles. Unbalanced contraction of muscle. Unable to contract muscle properly. Okay, contractions means inability. Unbalanced. That is unbalanced contractions of the muscles. So this is about the muscle injury. Now Today we have discussed about soft tissue injury. Soft tissue injury, it is of two types: skin injury and muscle injury. Skin injury like abrasion, contusions, lacerations, incision, etc. And muscle injury like cramp, strain, sprain, etc. Okay, thank you student. In our next video we will discuss about hard tissue injury. Hard tissue injury, that is dislocation and fracture.